when your gas grill makes a humming sound. Your grill is making a low humming or whistling sound. Should you be concerned? Unless the sound is also accompanied by the smell of gas, the answer is no. Humming noises aren't uncommon with gas grills. Typically, what's causing the sound is the vibration of the rubber diaphragm inside the regulator. Any number of factors can be behind the vibration: outside air temperature, humidity, barometric pressure, or even the gas level within the tank. You may notice the humming sound comes and goes depending on the weather. You can replace the regulator if the sound persists, or go ahead and let your grill hum. Although the sound may be alarming, it's not dangerous. If you need other how-to info, products, or help, just visit those sections on charbroil.com.